So I will talk about the esports. My group is my group number is 3 people. A214401 Chen Zhouchu, A214400 Jin Ruixi, A214403 Zhao Mingwei. So the first is permutation publish. Community information through community assignments, social media, game forums, and other channels to a tactile game. Extra catch attention and regulation. So the collect feedback from patterns during the summary stage and understand their environment and suggestion on course, contact activity formats, and other aspects through questions, survey, online forms, and other forms. The next is community master organizational magnet most. There is 2 parts: implement online technology and teaching environment used. The third is the reflection of community participants. So there is also 2 parts. The first is gaming storage ability in human sense. The second is suggested crosses contact. In terms of activity smart, some persons suggest increasing percent of online activity. The next we will talk about the game's scored. So let's see this video.
This is the red square. Just remember these 2 routes: development road, field to counter road speed brush. Keep an eye on the situation. Our little monster was beaten, but the opposition road must still have after playing red speed 4. Don't have the other party time to grab the line. Will not be able to get out of the rhythm 2分钟 use ago. After the first wave of rhythm, look at the map resources. The lower half of the picture is out of resources. Take the route of the confrontation road, goes directly to the development path. Routes cut into developmental pathways. Let the opposite side dare not press. Again, take a look at the refresh F. This 3-line formula LT doesn't seem to be rubbing the midline of each wave. In fact, there has been pressure on both sides, make it impossible for the other party to swim in the river. The confrontation and friction of the other party in the river will always be less crowded. If you cross the tower to kill, don't be greedy for knives. Can be left to team R. Hits put pressure on both sides. Pave out the river. LT is the foundation of the 3-line formula. The counterpoint economy gap is already 400, but when brushing blue 2000, VLL find our teammates ganked down the road. Don't worry about this Go3 lines formula. Teammates drop points. We have always been playing to control all resources, but once a teammate drops a point, it is difficult to control the resources on the opposite side. Priority is given to filling positions to deal and to avoid risk post processing without grabbing the line into a flat rhythm of development. Rhythmic development controls one's own resources. Must avoid take the initiative to drive a big rhythm point like beating a tyrant. Control the opposition field. Control tyrant. Control all versus the counterpoint. Economy will continue to unfold. No teammate can stand WW like this one, but we can use the formula to get better. Then stand up for yourself.